Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be giving you my life update, plus I will be telling you that how am I preparing for my finals and practicals and a lot more, as this is my first vlog after New Year. So before starting, let me give you a preview of my exam schedule. So my PT3 exams started in the mid of November and ended in December. After that my PT4 exams, or you can say UT4 exams, started from 28th of Jan and they just ended on 7th of February. And after so many exams, when we were thinking of relaxing a little bit, our school bombarded us with our final exams and practical state sheet. So this background clip is of 5th of February, where I was just practicing maths, as my last PT4 exam was of maths. And talking about the syllabus which was coming in the exam, there were only 3 chapters: number system, volume and surface area of sphere and hemisphere, and lastly statistics. So here I was just practicing NCERT. Now what I was saying before was that my final exam practicals started from 8th of Feb, and like we had just finished our PT4 exams on 7th of February. So yeah, I recorded this clip after coming back to home, giving my last exam. And after this I didn't record anything, as I was preparing for my practical, which was of maths only. This means that after giving my maths exam, I was again practicing maths, and the syllabus for ILS was completely different from that of the exam one. Leaving that thing out, here I was making my date sheet. As for me, if I stick my date sheet in front of my table, I'm able to view it frequently and have that feeling like बहन पढ़ ले तेरे पेपर आ रहे हैं. Finally, here is my date sheet. So my exams are starting from 24th of February and they're going to end on 12th of March, just one day before Holi, and I'm glad because of that. In this clip, I was watching the Graz lecture for revising chapter 1 of history, the French Revolution, as I haven't revised it from a long time. Talking about how my practicals went, they went nice. In maths, we had a written test in which all the questions were easy except one MCQ, and I would like to ask this one to you. It was a tricky one. So the question was, what is the formula of volume of cone? And the options were: first, 1 upon 2 pi r square h; second, 2 upon 3 pi r square h; third, 2 upon 6 pi r square h; and fourth, none of these. So 2 upon 6 को अगर हम सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में करें तो 1 upon 3 हो जाता है. तो मैंने ये सोच के सी ऑप्शन करा था, एंड मेरे सारे दोस्तों ने ऑलमोस्ट डी ऑप्शन करा था. एंड जब सर ने क्लास में बाद में आके बताया था तो उसका आंसर सी था. तो आई वॉज क्वाइट हैप्पी विद दैट. एंड यहाँ पे मैं अपना AI का थोड़ा सा काम रह गया था, वो कर रही थी, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट डे मेरा AI का प्रैक्टिकल था एंड उसमें पाइथन के प्रोग्राम्स थे एंड इंट्रोडक्शन टू AI एंड AI प्रोजेक्ट साइकिल वाले यूनिट्स थे. फिर उसके बाद हमारे 12th का सोशल साइंस का प्रैक्टिकल होना था, लेकिन गुरु गोविंद सिंह जी की जयंती की वजह से छुट्टी हो गई थी. सो यहाँ पे आई जस्ट चेंज द डेट एंड आई वाज शोइंग यू माई project file. We had choice to make the project file on any subject or any topic, and we have to just write 2 or 3 pages. So I choose physical features of India, and I chose that very randomly. I did a spin the wheel as I was quite confused with that. Nevertheless, I tried to make the front page aesthetic, and I used Pinterest for inspo. I just draw a globe and just used some vintage paper alongside the border. Now this clip is of 15th of February and we had a off from school due to board examination. One more thing is that I just want to wish good luck to all the 10th graders and 12th graders and all the seniors out there who are giving their board examinations. I hope that you rock the exam. So yeah, here I just made my to-do list to assign all the tasks which I had to do. And I didn't record anything for my English ALS. I guess I didn't mention that in our school, practicals are commonly referred as ALS, Assessment of Learning and Speaking Skills. That wasn't needed to explain though. Okay, so in the background, I was studying Hindi. I was reading first 2 chapters, दो बैलों की कथा and लहासा की ओर, as I haven't revised it also. So yeah, and if I tell you about my English ALS experience, in English we were assigned some topics according to our roll numbers, and for my roll number my topic was time management and examination. So I prepared like a kind of 2-minute speech or something, and when I went to school I realized that almost everyone has just prepared 2 or 1 paragraph. So I cutted some of it, my portion of the speech, and then just spoke it in the class. And I guess my voice was quite dominating as I was speaking quite loudly, and I feel like embarrassed a little bit. And one more thing was that I had a throat ache, so my voice was weird. कोई नहीं, ऐसे बड़े बड़े शहरों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं. Leaving that aside, in the background I was reviewing all of the chapters of my English NCERT book, and यहाँ पे फिर मैं सारे पोएट्स, ऑथर, चैप्टर सबके नेम लिख रही थी. एंड फिर उसके बाद मैंने उन सबको याद कर लिया था, क्योंकि पेपर में कभी कभी आ जाता है. वैसे तो ज़्यादा आता नहीं है, बट कोई बात नहीं, हम सारी तैयारी रखेंगे. एंड पहला एग्ज़ाम ही मेरा इंग्लिश का है, तो आई हैव टू मेक श्योर फॉर दैट. फिर उसके बाद 16 का संडे था, एंड 17 को भी बोर्ड का एग्ज़ाम था, एंड हमारे साइंस का प्रैक्टिकल था, तो वो भी पोस्टपोन हो गया. एंड 18 को हमारी PTM थी. सो ऑलमोस्ट लाइक हमें 4 दिन की छुट्टी मिल गई थी. बट द थिंग वॉज दैट मेरा गला बहुत ख़राब था, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा खांसी हो रही थी, कोल्ड हो रहा था, फीवर हो रहा था. इस सब की वजह से मैं ज़्यादा नहीं पढ़ पाई. और बैकग्राउंड में मैं यहाँ पे वर्क एंड एनर्जी वाले चैप्टर को रिवाइज़ करा था और उसके एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चंस को प्रैक्टिस कर रही थी. एंड 18 को हमारी PTM थी, जिसमें हमारे PT4 के मार्क्स रिवील करे गए थे. सो नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू गिव यू अ फोटोडम एंड आई विल एक्सप्लेन द थिंग्स. तो न्यू ईयर के स्टार्टिंग में मैंने एक कैलेंडर बनाया था, जिसे आप ज़्यादातर मेरी सारी टाइम लैप्सेस में देख पा रहे हो, लेकिन तब भी मैंने एक फ़ोटो डाली है, विच इज़ दिस. एंड उसके बाद मैंने विजन बोर्ड बनाने की नाकाम कोशिश करी थी, एंड मैंने इसे इतना ही छोड़ दिया. उसके बाद हमारा स्कूल ट्रिप पे गया था 3rd Jan को टू इंडिया गेट एंड पार्लियामेंट. यहाँ पे कुछ माइनर की फ़ोटो मुझे अच्छी लगी तो वो लगा दी. मेरी एक फ्रेंड का बर्थडे था, तो मैंने उसमें कार्ड बनाए थे, तो हियर आर द फोटोज़. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, सब पढ़ाई करते हैं.